What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades, your trading BFF, your stock market bestie. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down one of my favorite penny stocks. I am extremely excited about this penny stock, and I'm extremely excited about the sector that this penny stock is in. We're going to be breaking down a penny stock that is providing technology for the sports betting industry. We all know the sports betting industry is absolutely exploding after the federal government repealed a law that made it illegal to sports bet in the United States. A bunch of these sports betting stocks absolutely exploded. They went to the moon. Draftkings, MGM, Penn National Gaming are just a few. But you guys know I have a saying, a philosophy that I love. It wasn't the gold miners that got rich during the gold rush. It was the little shops that sold the shovels, the pickaxes, and the supplies that did the best. Those are the people that got rich. And here we have the same concept. Everybody's focusing on the companies providing the gambling, the companies like Draftkings, the companies like FanDuel, the companies like Penn National Gaming. Everybody wants to invest in those companies, those stocks, even though they are already up a few 100% in just a matter of months. But in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a penny stock that provides the technology to companies like Draftkings, to companies like FanDuel and Penn National Gaming. We love innovative, disruptive tech here on this channel, and this penny stock fits the script. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day, so consider hitting that subscribe button and do me a favor and destroy the like button. Let's break down this high growth penny stock that is trying to disrupt the sports betting and online casino game. Let's get it. Check out the link in the description for Webull if you're looking for a great broker and you like getting free money. If you use my link in the description, deposit $100 or more with Webull, you will get 4 free stocks valued up to $3,200. You cannot beat free money, and you can't beat Webull, the best broker, free money. You can't beat that deal. Check it out. According to a report done by Global Newswire, global sports betting market is worth about $85 billion right now. That was in 2019. That number is going to be $100 billion plus in the next couple years. And we have seen the United States starting to legalize sports betting around the country, and it's just become a wave. It's always been done. People have always been betting on sports, but now the federal government is making it more accessible to everyone because they see the opportunity to tax it. So people are going to have more access to place bets on sports, to gamble, and make a ton of money from providing tech solutions to the companies that are actually taking the bets. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about a penny stock that is providing the tech to those companies. The stock that we're going to be talking about is ticker symbol ELYS, ELYS Game Technology Corp. This is a company that manufactures and develops technology systems, online systems that they provide to online sports betting casinos, I guess you could call them, so that their customers can go online, place a bet through the system, and then monitor their account. So basically, it's just a bank account. Log in, place your bets, keep track of your funds, and they also provide risk management solutions. And this is an industry that's growing. This is a penny stock, in my opinion, that is undervalued because of the growth potential. So let's break it down. Let's talk about what they do. We'll talk about the fundamentals, and we'll talk about my personal investing plan for this ELYS. I am now using TradingView charts. They are absolutely amazing. TradingView and Touchdown Trades have partnered up. And if you want to get a 1-month free trial, risk-free, check out the link in the description and you can try it out for yourself. It has scanners. I use the scanners to find my swing trades and my long-term investments. Great scanners, great tools, easy to use, intuitive charts. Check out TradingView. Here on the ELYS Game Technology website, let's take a look at some of their product offerings. We have sports betting, advanced sports betting solutions, a fully integrated international betting technology company providing an innovative world-class betting platform. So I just want to give a quick example of how this works. I'm here on the Draftkings website, and now ELYS does not provide the software to Draftkings, but it is very, very similar technology, and I just want to show you what it looks like. So for example, if we wanted to place a bet on an NBA game tonight, we would go down here to NBA. We would have our account up here in the corner, very similar to a brokerage platform, your stock brokerage platform, very, very similar. So you would go to NBA, and then for example, we'll find a good game. I live in Atlanta, the Hawks versus the Pistons. Let's say we want the Hawks. We think the Hawks are going to win that game. You could either take the point spread or you could take the money line. So the Hawks are expected to win. So if you wanted to just say the Hawks are going to win straight up, you would click this minus 530. You would place your bet. Say you want to risk $100. So you would get back $120 if they won. That's how this technology works. But it gets deeper than that, because there's also risk management aspects to this that ELYS is providing to their customers. For example, the amount of money placed on a bet. If a bunch of people are betting on the same team, all of a sudden there's a breaking news, a star player is injured or something, and thousands of people are betting big money on a specific team, that could damage a company, right? If the company isn't quick enough to adjust the line and adjust the numbers to where it should be, and the sports bettors are just hammering that, that's not good for the company, and it could cost the company a lot of money. And ELYS also provides solutions for that as well. This is already a profitable company, which is a rare thing where you get a penny stock, a huge growth penny stock in a growth sector that is already profitable. So I expect the revenue, the profit to increase over time, and we're already talking about a profitable company. Growing markets and first mover opportunity. Legalization of sports betting in the United States is huge for this stock. Sports betting legislation accelerating in the US. So here we have a list of the states and municipalities that are legalizing sports betting in their area. So we already have online gaming and sports betting in Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Nevada, and we have more of that. This is a little bit delayed. So we have Tennessee. I know we have Tennessee. I think we have Arkansas, Michigan, I believe. A bunch of states are getting sports betting legalized. So it's quickly happening, and I would bet in the next 5 years, every single state in the United States has some form of legal sports betting. It's happening right now, and if we don't get involved, get some exposure to some of these high growth stocks in the sector, we're going to miss out on a huge opportunity. They also are doing business in Italy, favorable U.S. regulatory environment. So the overturn of the PASPA, that was the law, the federal law that made gambling and sports betting illegal in the United States. That was overturned a few years ago. Increasing number of online gaming friendly states. It's just happening. Almost every state in the next 5 years will be legal. Mark my words. So ELYS is saying that they're going to attack the tribal casinos here. Pairing has largely been resort operators and sportsbook providers. The big sportsbooks have been pairing up with the big resorts. But the tribal resort operators, they're not going to want to pair up with another company that's doing business with those resorts that are direct competitors to the tribal casinos. If you weren't aware, tribal areas, reservations, they don't adhere to federal laws. They can basically do whatever they want. So they put casinos on their tribal area to provide revenue, to provide income for the native people that live in the area. What this company is saying is that they're going to have a direct edge to do business with these tribal casinos. Once they start adding sports betting to their casinos, they're going to be able to sell their software, their technology to these tribal casinos, which is huge business those would be huge multi-million-dollar deals and would send this company flying higher. The revenue would skyrocket. Okay, so the solution is cutting-edge betting software. We have fully integrated solutions, self-exclusion, registration, and responsible gaming filters. So if somebody has a problem, maybe they're a gambling addict, they can get restricted and not use the platform. You don't want people going on there and spending their entire life savings on sports betting. Adaptive business intelligence and big data algorithms, so you can track where you're losing money, where you're making money. Do you need to adjust some things to increase that revenue? This is this type of software they're going to be providing to their customers. Artificial intelligence, learning bots and CRM models, dynamic risk management algorithms, player account management system. This is big, the player account management system. So it's basically a bank account, or it's basically like a stock brokerage account. You log in, place your bets, you keep track of your funds. It's really intuitive software. And these companies, when all these states are legalized, they are 100% going to need software like this. They also offer online casinos, so you can go on, play slot machines, blackjack, whatever, roulette, whatever you want to play. It's big business, and once this stuff starts getting legalized, once again, these companies that want to open up these online casinos in these states, they're not going to want to do this technology by themselves. It's too expensive. They'd rather outsource it to a company like ELYS. Poker. We also have poker available. Poker is big right now. It's still hot. Ever since the World Series of Poker started popping off, poker is big. So this is another offering that they can provide to their customers. So if you're opening up an online casino in a state where it's legal, ELYS can come in and say, hey, we have the whole 9 yards. We have sports betting, we have an online casino, and we have poker. So they have the full suite to offer to their potential customers and market that to them. I really like the software. I like the company. I like the fundamentals. Let's take a look at the chart in a second. I'll provide my opinion on where I would like to buy and put a price target on it. The company right now has $5 million, almost $6 million on hand. So it's really nice to see a small cap penny stock that has cash on hand. It's a very rare thing to see, especially a growth stock. We're not really worried about making money right now. We're not worried about profit right now. We just want to see that revenue increase. I got the chart pulled up. Let's talk about my plan in investing in this ELYS stock. Okay, so we have made a pretty significant run from $1.50 all the way up to $7.50. But right now we're pulling back down towards this key area of $5.30. Why is this a key area? Has nothing really to do with this gap. If this gap was on low volume, it really wouldn't mean much to me. But the gap with extremely high volume makes that gap very valid. It's going to be an area of support. We can see the other day came down and tested it, and then it sucked right back up. So this $5.30 area, I think, holds as support, and we rebound up and retest those highs at $7.50. I like this stock for not only a long-term investment, but also a shorter-term swing trade, using that $5.30 as your risk, looking for $7.50 to break. So I'm going to be putting this in my swing trade account and my long-term investing account. I really like this ELYS. I think it's a small cap penny stock that has potential to grow and grow with the overall online sports betting sector that is really taking off over the last few years. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. If you want to join the private Discord chat, get a 2-week free trial, and get my buy and sell alerts in real time, there's also a link in the description for that. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys liked the video, got something of value from it, hit the like button for me. It really helps me out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Until next time, peace.